don't know me. Be like, y'all got your sound working. Yeah, right. Alright, you're watching it.
Alright, so Hawk tool. Nice. And we're going to get this here. Yeah, look, yeah. All right, Steve. Okay, so I finally got the intercooler installed. What took me a while was trying to get these hose couplings onto the actual charge pipe itself. It was extremely difficult for whatever reason. It was super tough to get on there. They used some silicone spray to try to make it a little easier, but that took a little bit longer than expected. But I got the charge pipes installed. 2 clamps on the bottom end, 2 clamps on the top end. I did go ahead and disconnect the sensor from the old charge pipe and reapplied it to this charge pipe. As you can tell, one thing you don't want to forget is that connector. So I'll go ahead and grab that connector from down here. It's down here somewhere dangling. All right, there we go. Grab that connector and plug that in like so. That way we don't have any faults. You want to hear it click, put the red tab back in. And that should be pretty much it, guys. The intercooler is installed. I'll go ahead and put the bumper back on, along with the belly pin that's technically non-existent. Bro, I literally, having a lower car kind of sucks. That fell apart, but I will get a new belly pan eventually. Have 1 clamp on this side, 1 clamp back there, as you guys can tell, along with the turbo muffler and the bracket there. So overall, difficulty scale, I'd say this is like a 3 out of 10. It's not hard as long as you have the right tools. You'll be able to get it done. And I didn't take the front wheels off. That would be easier to get to the front bolts that are inside of the bumper, or that hold the bumper in. If you take the wheels off, it's easier to get to that. But I just bent the fender liner back on both sides so I can be able to get to it. I'll start it up and make sure everything's running good.